All right, so I just bought a bunch of new doors and I'm in the process of spraying them, but I need to trim about a ½ inch off the bottom of each one. So let's go through the process of how to do that. So the first thing we're going to need here is a skill saw. We want to set the depth of the blade so that it just goes through the thickness of the door. This is more of a safety factor than anything else. If the blade is hanging down an extra inch, there's a better chance you're going to cut something that you don't want to cut. Now this hinge is probably not going to be in the way, but I'm just going to pop it off anyway, just so nothing gets caught on it. I'm going to take some green painter's tape, and I'm going to tape all the way around the bottom of the door. This is to help me get a cleaner cut when I run the saw along the line I'm about to draw. I'm going to measure off a ½ inch on both ends of the door, then take a level and mark a line. Now I take my skill saw, line it up right where I want to cut, and take a measurement to the outside of the guide. I'm going to get 1 3/4 inches. Transfer that measurement onto the door. I'm just going to move the camera over to the other side here to get a better view. I'm going to use my level as a guide and clamp it in place right on those 2 1 3/4 marks. It's important that I start off slowly here and make sure that the guide on my saw stays tight against the level I have clamped. Now, although most interior doors you buy from big box stores are hollow like these ones, they always have a couple inches of solid wood on the perimeter in case you do need to cut down for size like this. When I pull off the painter's tape, you can see the nice sharp line that's been left. All I need to do now is repeat the process about, 8 more times and then I'll be done. Good times.
Well, I hope you got something out of my dad's video. Hopefully it'll solve problems with your door clearance. Please consider subscribing and leaving a thumbs up if you liked the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!